So how are you doing, everyone? This just came in, was waiting for me today, from Pearl. Maybe you've seen a lot of unboxing of basically the same stuff, but they wanted to send minutes to give their an opinion on it, and that's what I'll do. I'm not paid by Pearl or anything. I'm just thinking this is a fun experience. So, pair of scissors here. Let's see if we can get this open. And I partially know what's in here, and it is the same. It's the same razor that's been popping up all over. Is this enough? Is it enough? This is completely sort of live. Let's see. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's nice. I'm just going to put it on the floor here. Alright, so first of all, let's see if we can something that smells very nice. I think this is it. Sunrise Bliss. I think this is what smells so nice, yeah. So thank you very much, Pearl, for thinking of me and giving me a chance to showcase your fine art. Ooh, that's very nice. So it's a simple look at the label, very lovely label. And I'm sorry, but the back side, I'm using the front of the camera so they can get a glimpse of what's happening. There you go. Very sort of a starry lighted effect. And some of the words here are sort of protruding. Very nicely done. And it comes with a shaving guide. And it was, yeah, it's got a lovely scent to it. So, thank you. Wonderful. Next up is, let us see here. Let's get everything out here. Whoops. Oh, that's a nice piece. It's very late. It's 10:30 in the evening times. So it's late. Long day at work. So if I'm yabbering, I know I usually do. But yeah, adding tiredness to it as well. Let's see if we can get this wrapped here. Let's see what kind of brush we have. And again, thank you very much, Pearl, for sending all these lovely stuff. And I will give them a nice review. But I am also going to be honest. I've tried a Pearl shaving brush before. I think also, yeah, I have done videos of it. Let's see if I can't even get it out. There you go. And it comes like this. Let's see. Ooh, that's very nice. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but right here it says Pearl. Synthetic hair. Seems like quite a big, perhaps a 26mm knot. Very beautiful brush, actually. I'm gonna get. I don't know why I smelled that brush. And it's kind of like, again, I don't know if the camera picks it up. Slightly, sort of a soap, water scum feature here. Looks very nice. Nice hand. Nice in hand. So that's that. What's left? Yes. A razor. and the razor that has been popping up everywhere on YouTube, and we have it right here, the Sleek. And this is how the box looks. Some information here. A handbook for smoothing. I'm just reading off here. And effortless shaving experience. Make a twist clockwise for the handle to access the blade compartment. Yeah, now the top cast is, yeah, and that's just how to load it. And here are some information as well. Eco-friendly and plastic-free. Yeah, very nice, very nicely packaged. Now I do have one other pearl razor, the Flexi, and I just used that a few videos ago. I must say I love that razor. It's very nicely made. So, cut here. Let's see if we can get it out. Ooh. And by the way, it says right here with a stand. Yeah. And it comes with, I don't know how many blades, silver max blades, simply one etched. And here it is. There's a stand, and over here the blades. Ooh, feels nice. Very nicely filled. And you twist this, and the cap goes off somehow. There you go. There it releases. Kind of a long thread once it's down there, and it right here it has a magnet which will hold hold the blade. Now I don't know. It feels. Oh yeah. By the way, here it says pearl, and here made in India. They've actually already made changes to this razor. They've already made some changes to this, and are trying to. How can you tell? How can I put it? They're listening to feedback, and they're trying to improve it already. I know I've read issues that some have had issues loading the razor, and one I believe had an issue with the blade sort of going up. I don't know if that's going to be an issue with this. It feels nicely made, good in hand, nice knurling here, and I'm going to be looking forward to giving this a try. First single etched razor. Don't know if I'll be cocking it up or not, but yeah, definitely some a learning curve for me as well. But as you saw, the magnet holds the blade, no issues whatsoever, and it has a nice weight to it as well. And as I said again, I'm not paid to say nice things about Pearl or their products or anything really that they sent me. They just wanted me to give it. It's kind of a squeaky. Perhaps some oil down here would do it good. Let's look at the stand now, shall we? If we can we get it out without? Yeah, there's a lot of blades down here. Lots of blades. Here's the stand, and it comes with the rubber band at the bottom, just like the Flexi does. So it's lightening. Now I don't know where I heard it, but I did watch another channel stating that they felt it was cheaply made. I don't get that feeling at all. It feels nicely. There's a bit of an issue here with not an issue, I would say. Perhaps it's a learning curve for me with the loading mechanism because I'm used to double-edged razors. I think that's just something that I need to get used to. And there's only one way to do it, and that's to try it. So that's it. The sleek. And it seems very nicely built. Now I won't be using that in tomorrow's shave. I have something else planned out. But this isn't going to be in a future shave. Let's see. Let's put everything. I'll do that later. Back in order. Alright, that was the sleek. The box looks lovely. Very modern. You know, your path to tranquil shavings is there. Alright. Something is in here. It's a shaving ball, it says. Alright, let's give it a look. Kind of weird because the other videos that I've seen unboxing pearl stuff lately, it's just been in a sort of wrapper, not in a cardboard box. So, it is. And here's the famous plastic. See if we can get it out. No need to cutting, just get it out here. Also comes with a shaving guide. I don't think I'll be needing that, not to get too cocky. Alright, this is in. As it says right here. Pearl. Very nice ball. Yeah. And here, and then it has sort of a hole to put in a razor. Let's see if it. And right here you could, right here you could fit a brush. Let's see. Perfect. And a nice, slightly picking up, there you go, sort of logo or indentation here, not indentation, sort of coming out to whip out a nice lather, hopefully. This is actually a nice way to hold it, like this, when whipping up a lather. I don't think I would do like this. I think I'll be clunky. Yeah, this feels good for me. Alright, one more. The slant. I've watched a lot of this. I actually wanted to try to grab one myself, but now I am so lucky, and I'm very, very humbly thanking Pearl for sending these products to me. And again, as I have already said, I'm not affiliated with Pearl. I'm not getting paid by Pearl to do this. They just sent me the stuff. And I want to express my deeply appreciation of that. So thank you very, very much. Sort of the same kind of design as in the sleek, where this sort of comes out. Oh yeah. Oh, what's this? Oh, a shaving guide once more, and a tip. And how's it? What does it? Oh, and tips for using a slanted razor. And here it is. Don't know what these are. Oh yeah, I've heard about these sort of markers, washers that you put in, that you have to put in, otherwise it won't do the proper slant. It comes with a cloth like this, very nice. And oh, I got a pack of willies. I might put my willy in there. How does it? I have to cut that. Now I don't know. This is whoa, almost like a hammer. Um, the material on this feels very, very different from this. It's also heavier. And right now there's one of the washers already in here, and that's why I think you get quite a lot. I don't know how much many extra I got, like 6 or something like that. And why won't it go back? Did I do it in a wrong way? Oh, by the way, here is the logo at the bottom. There you go. I just needed to align the thread and the handle properly. There you go. Very nice slant on this one. And it also says here, it says pearl. The camera's not that fond of picking that up. It says pearl. Nicely knurling on this handle here. Good race, I think. Yeah, gonna give this a shout out as well. That was it. So what do we get? Let's just sum up. We got a nice shaving cream or shaving soap, and it sort of, I'm picking up a wonderful scent from it. Wonderful scent, sort of a tin. 125 grams. Very much looking forward to trying this out. Has a great scent, just off the tin. Then we have a brush, synthetic hairs. Then there was the sleek, nicely done. And actually, compared to the other one, this is kind of a lightweight. Weight-wise, now I haven't got my scales or anything here. What I would say, this is more like a classy, double-edged, wet shaving weight to it. What's we got? We got a bowl. Nice plastic bowl. Not too big. It seems nice. Lovely to try out. And then there's this. This is on the heavier side. The slant. Yeah, that was it. Thank you very much, Pearl. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing with these sort of secret goodies. And, well, and I just read the box. Stainless steel handle on this one. That might be that might be why it's slightly heavier. I don't know what the head is made of, but I think I'll do a bit more checking up on what I have here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll be joining me in looking at these products in the future. But this is going to be the first one because I've never tried a single-edged. It has sort of a leaf, a fawn kind of feel to it, a look to it. No, not feel. I have no idea how a fawn or a twig feels like because I don't own one. But the looks is kind of similar, kind of. So that's it, everyone. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. A shaving video. Hope this one here says healed slightly. That was so stupid. Yeah, go check out what I did if you don't know already. But by the way, bye bye.